Collavate allows users to quickly view all processes in the home page. To do this, navigate to Post with Process. Here, you could tag other users, mark processes as good, or just be able to view processes all in one place. Starting at the top of the menu, All Process Docs is a collection of every single process that you have a part in. Regardless of whether you've submitted or if you are a viewer, all your processes can be viewed here. Whenever you save a process draft, they are kept in the draft section. If you are CC'd user in any process, those processes will appear in CC Docs. And lastly, if any processes were shared with you, they will be kept in Shared Processes. Now moving further down the process menu, you'll notice processes are broken into two categories: processes you've received under Received Docs, and processes that you've submitted under Sent Docs. You can filter the post feed to show processes you've received based on whether you've approved or rejected, processes that are still in progress, and processes that you still need to review. Finally, you can filter the post feed to show all processes you've submitted, or based on whether the process that you've submitted is approved or rejected.